Welcome friends, welcome to another tutorial from MK Science class. Today I will discuss about the gas transport of hemoglobin. How I will show after some times how hemoglobin carries the oxygen from the lungs to the tissue, and from the tissue how hemoglobin carries the carbon dioxide to the lungs. So let's start. In the lungs what happens and in the tissue what happens. In the molecular basis or biochemistry basis I will explain this topic, the gas transport by hemoglobin. In the lungs, here I show it is the lungs, and here it is the tissue. Lungs or lung, here the tissue. What happened from the outside? From the outside oxygen enter to the lung, and here present HB or unoxygenated hemoglobin বা hydrogenated hemoglobin. This hydrogenated hemoglobin then released one hydrogen molecule and binds with this oxygen HbO2, and this HbO2 is called oxygenated hemoglobin or oxyhemoglobin. This oxyhemoglobin carries through the blood vessels or etc. This oxyhemoglobin carries to the tissue. These are not prominent. HbO2. This HbO2 release here the oxygen. Release to the tissue oxygen. In the tissue there are formed CO2. This CO2 adding with H2O form H2CO3. This H2CO3, this all are happens in the tissue. This carbon dioxide with one molecule of water forming this molecule H2CO3. This H2CO3 releases one hydrogen molecule. This H2CO3 release one hydrogen molecule, and this HCO3 minus ion form. CO2 with the help of water form of H2CO3. This H2CO3 release one molecule of hydrogen and form this negative ion or HCO3 ion. This hydrogen ion and the releasing this part is released. Oxygen is released to the tissue. Then this hemoglobin part is here. This hemoglobin part is here, cause oxygen is released in the tissue. Then these hemoglobin and the release hydrogen ion attached. and form of unoxygenated hemoglobin or hydrogenated hemoglobin. This form of hemoglobin then again here, and this process will again here in the lungs. H plus molecule or hydrogen ion released at first, then this molecule come here and binds with this hydrogen ion, form H2CO3. This help of this hydrogen ion form H2CO3. I jump one step, another then this H2CO3 divide into two. One is H2O and CO2. This CO2 released from the body. These are released from the body. These are outside and these are outside also. So this is the phenomena behind the science, what happened in the lungs and the tissue. Here I think all clear in this video how the hemoglobin or oxyhemoglobin carries to the tissue oxygen and carboxyhemoglobin carries carbon dioxide to the lungs. If you like the videos, then press the like button. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay with me. And if you want to know anything about this topic or other topic, you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer you or reply you. Thank you so much. Stay with me. Thank you so much.